Hey, how you all keeping today? It's Peter, and a warm welcome to the very first Lego build video to come of October 2025. And what a great theme to kickstart this month off with. Now, as you know, we did cover Fire August and Police September, didn't we? As that's my little tribute to those services that serve the community and protect us and all that. So I thought this month of October we'll do something a little bit different, as to be honest I'm going to cover this month will be Lifeguards, which is this truck here. I do plan to cover the Coast Guard, and you may have seen that boat in a couple of past videos on the channel, although I've not done a Lego build on it, but that will come later this month. And I'll probably will do something like a search and rescue Lego set, and probably something like either a ambulance or a paramedic set or something, just to give all those great folks a shout out and just to show my gratitude and appreciation for all the services that you do like. But anyway, let's kickstart this month then with this brand new 2025 set, and this one is 60453. It's Lifeguard Truck, and it contains 214 pieces. And I tell you, I am super excited to cover this one today. And just turn around, here's the box graphics and all that. I'm not sure if this comes with a shark or not, we'll find out soon enough, but he looks a little bit aggressive and a little bit fearsome there, doesn't he? That little shark there. So, let's open this bundle of fun up, shall we? As you know, I'm Peter, also known as AP. I keep the vibe positive and uplifting, as that's what my channel is all about. I do these Lego builds in a time lapse, as I'm sure most of you are aware of that by now that have subscribed to me for a while. Really love all your support, love all your comments, and I just love the positive vibes that this great Lego community has. So, let's get this exciting box open and all that then, shall we? Because I am really excited about this. I'm just giving that box a shake there, just so we haven't left anything behind. And as you know, I'm not a collector, so I don't really worry too much about the condition of the box. And I don't really keep the boxes to my stuff if I can't store them, because, like I said, I'm not a collector, I'm more of a builder. And I just like to have a bucket of fun doing these Lego sets for all of you great folks that enjoy my builds that I do on a weekly basis. And this is the first Monday to kickstart October, and I am really super excited, I'm telling you. Anyway, so what we got here then, folks? We've got a packet of stickers, apart from the manual, which we've covered. Again, reference number is 60453. So if you want to grab a pen and paper, write that down, you can do that. And what we got here then? So bag one, we've got... and we've got bag two. So these are numbered. In fact, I think the only one that hasn't been numbered this year that I've covered in the 2025 range is the sports car. But that was a great bundle of fun, and we covered that one along with a donut truck back in July. So I thought it'd be great to cover a nice 2025 release for this month of October. And I do plan to try and fit in one, maybe two more 2025 releases as I'm going to get round to it, as I do have a bundle of interesting Lego sets that we will build and enjoy on this channel. So I like the Lego sets from the 1980s right through to present day, and I know what you're all here for. I'm getting a bit too excited. I'm getting a bit ahead of myself. So, we'll crack on with the time-lapse build, and I will chat to all of you at the end of this exciting build. I can barely wait to crack them bags open and get this beautiful set built. Okay, I'll talk to you all at the end. Sit back and enjoy the music. It's going to be positive and uplifting, because that's what I'm all about. And I'll speak to you all at the end, okay? Okay, so we've finally completed the Lifeguard truck, and I do quite like this set. And we've got a shark, so I definitely wouldn't want to be swimming in the same vicinity as this bad guy, but as you can see there, and I can't resist this one goes om nom 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 nom. Anyway, I've got a sense of humour, so this is definitely a family friendly channel and all that, but I've also built up the surfer, and we've also got the lifeguard with his phone in his hand as he's looking for something, but he's not driving, so all is good. And got our surfer here, so I've picked a calm and collective face. So generally this shark will be miles and miles away, but it does add a bit of a play scenario. So if this surfer should run into trouble, you can use the other facial expression that she has, and you can do a scenario where the lifeguard is actually will be on his patrols to save this person in distress, if you want to do something like that in a Lego role play or something. But this shark though, he definitely does look mean, and I certainly wouldn't want to be swimming around where he is. But anyway, joking aside, and I just want to say I want to give my token of thanks and gratitude to all lifeguards that work on the beaches around the world for real, that keep us all safe, and even in some cases they do save us if we do run into trouble. So if you are a lifeguard that's watching this video, I want to say a big thank you for watching, and please keep up the great work. To all my regular subscribers and viewers, I want to also say to you, thank you for watching this video all the way through. It really means a lot to me, and I absolutely enjoyed building this one this week to kickstart October 2025. This was a 214 piece Lego set. So I'm just going to move these characters over here so we've got it all nice in the front of the camera, and I'll just tilt the camera upwards so we've got the box and everything in view as well. I absolutely love building this one, and if you are new to the channel and you enjoyed this video, I do these on a weekly basis, so feel free to hit that subscribe button. It would be a pleasure to have you aboard. And if you enjoyed this video and my sense of humour, please give this video lots of thumbs up for me, everyone. I'd really appreciate it, and I'm sure the YouTube algorithm will appreciate your likes and feedback as well. Also, I do read and respond to all comments, so feel free to post a comment in the comment section below. I will respond to you, and I want to say to all of you a big heartfelt thank you for watching this video all the way through. If you're still here, thank you very much for your support and for watching my content all the way through to the end. It really means a lot to me. Until next week, I want to wish you all a fantastic week ahead. Stay positive, stay creative, stay happy, keep on doing the things you love, and I will see you in next week's upload. Have a fantastic day, everyone, and thank you for watching. This is Peter, also known as AP, signing out, and I will see you all in the next one.